All right, Eric's taking me for a joyride. It's right in the middle of the event. I can't say no. If he kills me, it's his fault that Mustang Medic ended.
Good chance.
Oh, see the trust I have? All right, let's close the hood and let's do this thing. Joyride in 2018. Here we go. We better be careful of cops.
We'll be all right.
All right, here we go. I don't want to sit on your cord. I'm getting old, dude. How old are you?
46.
46? I'm 54. Let me put my seatbelt on.
I'm waiting.
Gosh, I'm grunting and grunting. This is hard with holding one hand. I'm going to edit this part out. Give me 1 second.
You're good.
Here we go.
You ready?
Oh my God. Wait. Okay, slow down. We're good. Oh, holy Christ, scared the hell out of me, dude. All right. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. This guy just scared the crap out of me. I don't even know who he is, and all right, we're good. Don't do that again.
Okay.
Don't do it. Stay calm.
Have it a burnout.
No, all right, we'll do a burnout. I can handle a burnout, but the high speed through the thing was scaring the hell out of me. I have not been scared in a long. I have not been scared.
They don't give these to anybody.
What is that?
That's an NH8 World Championship.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I feel better now that I know that. Holy crap! All right,
You go past. We'll let him
calm
hear.
down.
So,
Jeez, I'm sweating. He's got me. I didn't even. All right, you might not want to do a burnout near the event. It's gonna piss him off, I think. Oh my gosh! Woo! Dude, you just gave me such an adrenaline rush. I'm scared to death. I haven't been scared in a long time. Maybe it's because I just met this gentleman, but he can drive. Okay, you can drive. You've proven your point. Let's do the burnout, and we'll just go home nice and mellow. Oh man, the burnout. Should I get outside and do it? It's stuck. Calm down. What is your name again?
Eric.
Eric, calm down, Eric. Holy crap. I have to say, I'm speechless. I did Chuckwalla Valley Raceway. This thing's just sick.
Hellcats beware.
This is a sick Mustang.
NA.
All right, I gotta walk it around so you guys can see the thing. I don't know if I caught the smoke coming out the back of the burnout. It all happened so fast, but thank you, Eric. I mean, seriously, that was better than any cup of coffee I could have drank. All right, I'm gonna get out. Let's do a walk around in this beautiful car. Thank you, Eric. Thank you for not killing me.
You all right? You sure?
No, you're right. I almost wet myself. You were concerned about that, and you were right. You just never know what you're gonna do at Mustang Medic. That's the cool thing. He's laughing at me. All right, here's the car. I just told Eric that he's gonna get his own video for this. So this is Eric's video of this gorgeous car. Let's look at the outside now. That's Eric, and that's his 2018 that we just rode in. Nice tail too. I like the spoiler.
Yeah.
Man, oh man, this is a badass car. I can't believe it. I'm saying badass on my channel. I want one of these so bad. I wouldn't drive like Eric though, unless I'm on the track. He's crazy. Crazy. That was so cool. I'm speechless. You know me, I like to talk. And those tires and rims do not touch, guys. What size of rims?
19.
19?
305, 30, 19.
Say that one more time.
305, 19s, 305, 35s.
305, 35s.
Now, that's not the tires I take to the track. I put street R's on it, 17-inch with a drag back, front, skinny fronts.
Dude, you drive like a mofo. That's a compliment.
Been driving a long time.
I'm thanking God for that right now. All right. That's Eric's really bad Mamma Jamma 2018. Thank you. You never know what you're going to do on these videos. This is Eric's business. They sell heavy-duty truck parts. So if you want to get in touch with them, if you're a truck driver or truck business and you want some heavy-duty truck parts, there he is. You can't beat that. I'm keeping that live. You guys can freeze frame it if you need to. Eric said he couldn't do it because he's out of washer fluid, and I got confused. He's messing with me again. Wow, that was the most. That was the scariest. I'm going to be more cautious next time I say yes to a Joyride. That's all I'm going to say. I got scared. You scared the heck out of me. I'm serious. I don't get scared. Well, I get scared, but not like that. Holy crap! I was just holding on, going, "Oh Lord, please don't let him curb strike. Please don't let him curb strike." That was fun, Eric.
Those tires, that car stinks.
That's amazing. And when you're in a hard turn, the tires do not touch the defender.
$10,000 in suspension. That's what most
so
Mustang
it's tight.
owners don't do.
It's tight.
That's what most
That
Mustang
makes
owners
sense.
don't do.
Yeah, I couldn't figure that out.
Mustangs are suspension cars. You do the suspension right, it hooks up every time. That's the difference. I built my car the opposite. I'm not one of these yahoos that put boost in my car and then can't figure out why I'm spinning and wheel hopping. I built the car up. It's got everything billet on it, every part you can think of. It's got a got the what do you call it? The bump steer kit in it. It's got the
bump stop.
Bump steer.
Right.
It's got the adjustable rear toe links so that you get the tires getting all the contact. Whenever I take it to the track after every pass, I check tire temps, left, center, right, just to make sure it's getting the right contact down the track.
Right.
Make adjustments as necessary.
Right.
So, I got the ring not for being a driver, but for being a crew guy. So
Well,
what I'm doing.
you deserve it for a driver. That's you got my vote.
Gotcha.